The problem. These vents are getting chewed through by the mice, and the mice are getting in the attic. So I've got to replace all of these vents underneath this soffit. So that's what we're going to do today. So I've already started. I've made two so far. I bought these at Home Depot for like $2 each. And then this wire mesh, which I'm cutting right now, I've got for about $14 for this roll, and I got another roll that cost me a little bit more. And I'm using these 10 snips to do it. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to measure this out. We're going to cut another one. So what I do is I come down here, and I've already laid this out. I just kind of set it right on there, just like that. And then I kind of give it a push. And because it's already in a nice grid, it makes it kind of easy for me to match it out, because I want it to come all the way to the edge of this frame. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, I'm going to get my chin snip right where I want to put it on here, and then make a little cut. And then I really don't need this anymore, because I can just follow it straight down. All the way down, because it's nice and square. Makes it so easy to do. I'm almost there, getting close. All right. Now I got to come up this way. I've already got my start on it. These are 7 by 16, I believe. Got one more snip. Bam, and that's how it's done. Then we bring it back over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of get the curve out of it by just rolling it like this. And that kind of gets the curve out of it. Give it a little bit of a bend this way. And I got to do 7 of these. So I bought 7. And it's going to set right on the back like that, so that the mice can't get through it. They can easily chew through that plastic, but this they won't be able to get through. And hopefully it won't oxidize, and it'll look good up there. So that's how we're going to do it. All right, so I've got my 7 cut and ready to go. Now all I got to do is drill out the holes and screw them in, and we'll see how it works. All right, I'm going to do some 24 by 7s too, and I'm going to use what I got left of this to cut those out. Okay, so anyway, these only have 2 screw holes. So the mice sometimes can squeeze through. So I got to make extra screw holes. So I'm going to try to make them directly in the center. And I'm just going to drill right through this in the middle. Hopefully I don't wreck it. I'm just going to make it big enough so that it doesn't. Okay, I made it. Not bad. I think I'm going to go from this side so I don't screw up and go through that. All right, so I'm going to get it right on here. And we'll push through, and that's it. So now I've got extra screws there, so I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 per thing, and then we'll probably put some kind of a adhesive on there to keep it in there. All right, and we'll put that over there. That's one. All right, for the larger one, I got to put on more. I got to put in more holes. So we're going to do 4 in each one. So we got 4. Next one, flip it over with the, you want the, this rubber side up so you don't accidentally get it stuck in there. And we're going to go ahead and slide this a little bit this way. So equilateral distance on each side. I'm just eyeballing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's under a soffit. Whoops, I think I just went into the table. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh, she's gonna be pissed. Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna press a little bit less hard. Oh, I've got 15 of the long ones, 7 of the short ones. Now we gotta install them. So the first part of the process, of course, is the demolition part, getting that off of there. It's been on there for, I don't know, 35 years, so here we go, we'll try it. Here we go. First things first, I gotta get up here. And this is, oh, there we go. Not too hard. These were put in with flatheads. So I gotta unscrew this. I don't know if you can see it. I got a hold of it. So that's the screw length. And another one on this side. It's so much paint on it though. It's coming. There we go. Yeah. Oh shit. Kill myself. Okay, now I can pull it off. Pretty simple. Bam. Done. Now what I'm going to attempt to do is just pop it right off of there. We'll see how that goes. All right? That's it. Not too hard. That's what she looks like. Okay. All right, let's check it. Let's take a look at it. Let's come on up. All right, so it's definitely wood all the way around, so I got something to screw into. And who knows? All right, so here we go. 4 screw holes. Let's see if we can get it in there. Pretty good. Let's see, I'm gonna go like this. Okay. It's gonna be hard getting this back one in. So I've got to get this evenly matched on this. That. And this is going to come up right there. And that. Bam, done. Slide this way a little bit. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is bring that through there. Looks pretty good. I'm going to put this one through here. Let me get it going through there. Looks like I can only get 3 screws in. Screwed up. Put too many screws in there. So now we got it there. So now I'm going to put this one in a little bit more. Alright, so what I can do is then I can fit this right on there. So I try to find a little spot that slides in there. And then this one here. That way, it's kind of like set in there. So now look, take a look. So I've got it kind of like set that way, and then I can just go ahead and screw it right in. Hopefully that'll work. Hold it this way. Got to get one side in first. and then we'll adjust the other sides. All right, let's try. It's kind of set there. Now I'm going to push that back. Pretty good. I can't get this one in the back. I screwed up on that. I drilled an extra hole that I didn't need to drill. Shoot! All right. All right, that's that. I'm hoping they can't get through there. All right, I guess that's the best we're going to do on that. So let's take a closer look. All right, so we got her on there. Only 3 screws though. But that should work. Should do it. Might still be able to get it in there on an angle. So I'm going to go get a long bit. All right, so I got this long bit. I'm going to try to use that. It's not really for this, but hopefully it'll work. All right, let's try it and see what happens. Cross your fingers. Bam, it worked. Nice. All right. So we're looking pretty good there. That's tight. I don't think we're going to get any nieces in there. So that's a good one. All right, 1 down. I got 7 more to go.